Hey. Hey guys. I just put in a new short. Here we go. Yeah. Guys, I just put in a new short position. 45,500. I just put out my shoe for liquidation. If we pass 45,500, my shoe's gonna get liquidated. But all the bulls out there, I'm not gonna get liquidated. I'm gonna outsmart all you guys, and we're going back down to 10K. I'm gonna keep my shoe. I'm gonna keep it. All you guys are gonna be salty. I'm gonna get my Lambo back, my island back, and everything. Here we go, bulls. Here we go, baby. Oh, man. Oops. What the? Hold on. Technical difficulties here. Uh-oh. What's going on, everyone? We had some technical difficulties to start the stream. What's going on? Guys, we are back here. Bitcoin actually did a pretty nice 618 retrace, golden pocket retrace that we're actually going to take a look at here. We need to liquidate Jabba's shoe tonight. If we do not do it, I will be very upset. We have to get back above the previous wick, and I think that Bitcoin could actually do it tonight. So let's actually hit that like button. Let's actually press the subscribe button if you guys are new, and let's jump on into it, because I think that Bitcoin could get a pump here. We're seeing Decentraland go up. We're seeing XRP go up again. AVAX still having a little bit of a move. We're seeing some good moves for a couple different coins, but we want to see it from Daddy BTC, as we would say. So as we see here, guys, we know on the hourly chart what's going on, everyone. Job is speaking as Jordan. You guys always know that I am the filter, okay? Job is the real host. Jordan is the filter. You guys know this by now. Anyways, let me actually shift this over here a little bit. There we go. If we look right here, guys, Bitcoin had a perfect 618 retrace, right? So on our move up here, we took our swing low. Let me actually go to this screen here. We went to our swing low, right, to our swing high. And Bitcoin, what did we talk about this morning? Bitcoin had that perfect retrace right to that golden pocket between 42,800 and 42,600, and then got a bounce from there. So that was perfect, right? You guys don't know. I don't really call everything, okay? I don't, at least in the short-term time frames. No one really calls anything, right? No one really knows what's going to happen in this market. But I will say,
rant alert.
That was a pretty good call there. Now, we got to see if this could continue. Right now, Bitcoin's kind of just chilling here. Will we get a move up, another move up tonight? Or will Bitcoin not come back up and reclaim this wick up at 45,500? That is where we're going to watch tonight. But I think that we can, right? I do like that little retracement that Bitcoin's had. We retraced the 1 hour RSI a little bit, and it's given us a little bit more room to continue back up to the upside here in the short term, right? Let's see you guys is here. Bitcoin hackers got caught for BTC hack. I saw that. It was like, what was it? It was some rapper guy that got caught for that. You wouldn't expect there would be some rapper guy. You probably would have expected it to be like, some North Korean mafia or something like that. But no, it was a rapper. It was a rapper or something like that. They got caught. Maybe that was a joke that I read on Twitter. But I'm pretty sure it was a rapper, okay, that got caught with the Bitfinex hack. It was like 4 billion or something like that. Absolutely nuts. And I saw something that said, now the U.S. government owns $4 billion worth of Bitcoin. Absolutely nuts, man. Absolutely nuts. Lewis said shortest rant ever. Was a little bit short rant. We'll get into more rants coming up shortly. Guys. But let's jump on into the real quick. I actually want to jump onto the weekly chart real quick. Because guys, look at this, right? Look at this. And I know this has been talked about by other people, but the weekly time frame just looks like, okay, this corrective phase here, which is a running flat, right? Where you get a higher highs and you get higher lows. These usually happen, really on any time frame, but if they happen on the longer term time frames, that's extremely bullish. And if we look at what this pattern entails, it entails a big run up with higher highs and higher lows. And it usually ends in a continuation to the upside, which isn't shown on this chart. But hopefully Bitcoin can continue that, because Bitcoin is getting those higher highs right? And is getting those higher lows. So now we want to see this be a continuation to the upside, right? And us to continue up to new all-time highs. That's what we want to see ultimately, right? I think it's a little bit too early to say that, but that is what we want to see, right? We want to go to the moon.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
We want to go to the moon. We don't want to settle for a dead cat bounce. We don't want a dead cat bounce here. We want to go back to the moon. We'll take a look at the fractal too, Johnny. Absolutely, man. We'll take a look at our fractal too, but this is what I'm watching for. Will we get that continuation phase back up to the upside? So far, it's looking pretty good, right? It's looking pretty good. But obviously it's not confirmed until we actually break the previous high, which we got a long way to go back up to get to 69K. A long way to go to get back above that 69K level. And we got to get back over, you guys know we got to get back over our weekly support band, right? On the weekly time frame. We'll go into short-term time frame stuff again, but we got to get back over that weekly support band, which is at 51K. We got to do it. Until we get back over that, your boy's going to be sleeping. Your boy's going to be sleeping. I'm not getting out of bed. I am not getting out of bed until we break that $52,000 level on the weekly time frame. I'm not getting out of bed. So keep that in mind. What are you guys getting out of bed for? Guys, what is the price level that you guys will get out of bed for Bitcoin? Right? Let me know. Let me know in the chat. Okay? Let me know in the chat, what is the price level you think that you will get out of bed for Bitcoin? You'll schedule your Forbes interviews. You'll do what's a nada. You guys saying it here. Keep hitting up that like button, by the way, guys. I definitely appreciate it. It's one thing you can help out the stream and really hitting up that like button. I appreciate it very, very much. Let's see. Sleep. I'm sleeping, man. I'm still sleeping. I'm still not up. 29K. Everyone's saying 50K, 49K, 50K, 64K. Everyone's got different price levels. I think everyone is sort of looking at, and the big level that I'm looking at for me to get out of bed, right, really for the long-term time frames, is the 618 retrace, okay? Is right around this 56 to 57K range, okay? That's the level I'm watching for, because if this was to be a continued bear market, right, and this ends up being just a dead cat bounce, what we want to see is a break of that 618 retrace, which would be right around this 56K region. If we get it back above 56K, that's when it would be pretty bullish. You guys know I'm taking some profits at 56, probably taking a little profits at 46, just on the way up. But Bitcoin could break 56. And even 57, more likely 57. We're gonna be looking way better, in my opinion. 38K. It's going sideways. Get out of bed to buy. Listen, man. Let's see. She gonna dump, folks. Dale's bearish today. Dale is bearish, by the way, guys. Dale is very, very bearish, by the way. F the fractal, 56K and up or bust. I agree, man. I definitely agree with that. Get that F the fractal, right? Screw your fractal. It doesn't fit my bias. I'm a bull. I don't believe in your fractal because it doesn't fit my bias. If I was a bear, your fractal would be the crap. It would be the absolute crap. You know? It would be the crap. Like the crap after I ate my meatloaf. Mom! Bring me some meatloaf! No, now! I'm starving and I'm watching Around the Blockchain. No, I need it now. I like to watch it while I watch BitBoy. BitBoy likes meatloaf too. You guys in your little bias. No, but listen. The reason why we look at that fractal is because we don't want to be biased, right? We want to understand that could be certainly a possibility. And, just because we're going up doesn't mean we're going to the moon, right? Definitely think that we could be going to the moon, all right? I want to go to the moon. I really, really do. But take that for what you will. Salisbury steak. Where's Bitcoin chilling? Bitcoin's still chilling at 41,153. Still waiting for that move back to the upside. All right. Let's see. On the daily time frame, let's see where we close tonight. We got 18 minutes until the daily close, we were actually able to break the previous daily close highs back from January 13th, but we're still sitting like right above. We'd like to see a little bit more, move to the upside, just to get a little bit more confirmation of a higher high on a close. But as of right now, things aren't looking too bad, right? We know we had that bearish divergence on the daily where we actually had lower highs, but right now, okay, we actually do have higher highs on both, right? So that nullifies that daily bearish divergence. And that's something that we were watching for going into today. That's great, right? That is exactly what you want to see in this move, is you don't want to see these bearish divergences forming on the daily time frame. And that's perfect, man. We're not getting that bearish divergence. Perfect. Samad said, on my fractal, we go to 49, then a pullback to 45K. Interesting, man. I guess you can find a bunch of different fractals, right? A bunch of different fractals. Let's see. Stop rubbing your hat. I ain't rubbing my hat like this. I'll keep doing it if you want me to. I'm going to go bald. Someday I'll be bald. It's inevitable anyway, guys. Probably give it 10 years. I'll probably be bald. 10 years, for sure. If you had to, Billy, thanks for the super chat, man. He said if you had to invest in one, be Gala, Sandbox, or Matic. I'm going Matic, man. I am going Matic. Though you can't go wrong with all those three. I like Sandbox too. Gala would probably be number 3 for me. But, for longer term hold, Matic, Sandbox, Gala, that's probably the level, that's probably the order I'm going with. Very bullish on Matic this year. Very, very bullish on Matic this year, as you guys know. Let's see. There's a fractal for everything, if you look hard enough. You can find a fractal for everything, exactly. You can literally find a fractal for every single thing. Zeus says, who's still talking crap about XRP? Here we go. Here we go with the XRPers, man. Here we go. Let's bring out Bob real quick. Yeah! Look at XRP! Who's talking crap now? XRP's at 88 cents. Still 80% below its previous all-time highs. Who's talking crap now? XRP's going to the moon, 88 cents. Yeah, let's all party for an 88 cent XRP. Woohoo! Woo! Woohoo! 80% below all-time highs, baby. We're getting there. We're getting there ever so surely. No, listen, XRP is performing pretty well, all right? Listen, XRP is performing pretty well. Let's not get ahead of ourselves here. We're not talking about XRP going to the moon. Listen, XRP was at $2 earlier this year, but it is having a great move. We did break this downtrend of resistance, and that's exactly what we wanted to see, right? That's exactly what we want to see. XRP blasting up to the upside, and that's what you expect. It's just based off technicals, right? I mean, it's not like XRP is all of a sudden changing the world here. No, it broke out of a daily downtrend of resistance, and it was due for a breakout to the upside, and that's exactly what you're getting. So, I mean, right now, what I'd say is the daily chart still has some room to run. 4 hour still has some room to run too. Like I said, listen. We got to see as always, we got to see what Bitcoin does. But just looking at the daily chart and where this could go to, I think it's very, very possible that this could at least go up to the 618, back up to $1, right? Which is exciting, right? $1 XRP. Woohoo! My voice is cracking over here. $1 XRP. I was outside in the cold all day today, guys. So if my voice cracks a few times, just ignore me, okay? Just ignore me. I also took a nap before the stream, and I haven't taken a nap. I haven't taken a nap in so long. I took a nap today. I did. I took a nap today. Let me know if you guys are bullish or bearish on naps. Or let me know if you guys haven't taken a nap. When's the last time you took a nap? Let me know. I'm bullish on naps. Okay? I'm very, very bullish on naps. But I try not to do it anymore because you feel like you waste your day, you know. But you know, a 10-minute nap, 20-minute nap, 30-minute nap all day. I'll do that all day of the week, all day of the week. Paul said, "Are we rich yet?" No. Well, I would probably say probably not. So you probably didn't buy the exact bottom. All right, Bitcoin's still chilling. What else do we have for BTC that we wanted to talk about here? I talked about this earlier today, but BTC also breaking back above its 50-day moving average, and kind of like we talked about this morning, every time Bitcoin has had a daily close above the 50-day moving average over the course of 2021, we've had a pretty significant move to the upside. Okay. This resulted in a move of about 53% to the upside. This one resulted in about a move to 47% to the upside. And you guys can see right here, we just got that daily close above the 50-day moving average. Will that result in another big move to the upside? It remains to be seen, and we will be here to watch it continuously, man. Continuously. Let's see. Naps are for babies. 35 minutes. Crypto Pumpets in bed right now. Just woke up bullish, said Steven. Okay. Crypto Cricket said bullish. Always. Wow. Seems like most people are bullish on naps. I didn't know so many people took naps. I didn't know this was like a normal thing. I thought naps were only for wussies. Okay. I used to take naps all the time. Sorry. I thought the Illuminati poster had a face in it for a second for some reason, and it was looking at me. I thought. It's because I think I hit it with my head and it moved. So that was kind of interesting. Let's see. Nothing has changed. Nothing has changed, man.
Nothing has changed.
Nothing has changed. What else do we got? We also looked at this on Market Cypher. When the money flow flips into the positive on Market Cypher, we do end up having a pretty good rally on the weekly time frame. Okay, the weekly. It's not a poster. On the weekly time frame, okay? So we flipped it back here on April 20th. April 2020. And had a pretty significant rally to the upside, right? Back here in October, significant rally to the upside. Back here in February, rally to the upside. Back here in July 2021, to the upside, right? Right here in September, to the upside. And we actually about to see that today. Depending on where the weekly closes, we could possibly see that again and get another move to the upside, man. That is what we're waiting for at the moment. My chair sounds funny. It's not my chair. You guys think it's my chair, but it's not. Sorry. That's me farting every time you hear that chair. It's actually me farting. I'm visiting Jordan right now. Yeah. I fart every time. You guys hear this? I'm sitting on the floor right next to Jordan, and it's just me farting every time. It's not Jordan, it's me. I love to fart. Yeah. I ate a bunch of chili yesterday. Jordan makes the best chili. The best chili. Yeah. It's actually farts that you're hearing. It's farts. Bathwire said, if Bob, that's disgusting. Warning shots fired. A bunch of warning shots are going off right now. Let me tell you. Kennedy wants to play. Actually, let me just finish up with BTC here. There's not too much to go over BTC. I mean, just kind of the same things we have going over recently. On the 4-hour time frame, still right below this red box of resistance, right? It's really these previous swing lows. I mean, this is what we're watching right here. Right here. See all these previous swing lows, guys? We have 1 swing low, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just a bunch of continuous swing lows that we actually wicked up to over here on February 8th. Okay? On February 8th. And then we came back down, right? So now what we're waiting for is this final move, right? This one final move. And we might have to bring out the Viking helmet for this. We're waiting for this one final move where Bitcoin can smack, absolutely smack, this move to the upside and get back above those previous lows. And that could be, it could be interesting. It definitely could be interesting. Because Bitcoin has made some room to run on the 4-hour here if it wants to have another big move. Right now it's chilling, okay? Maybe it's waiting for the new daily close. Who knows? We're getting a little bit of an indecision candle on Bitcoin on the daily chart here. So that could be interesting to decide which way we want to go with Bitcoin next. But, let's wait. Let's wait until the daily close. We got 7 minutes. That could be maybe a little bit of volatility starting in 7 minutes here. Ash said I was joking calling you a clown boy. Let's look at KDA. Why are you joking, man? I am a clown. Why are you joking? I am a clown. Listen. The face that you see right now is a filter, okay? This is my real face, guys. Yo, I like this one better. This one's creepy though. Holy moly! I should do the it dance. This is the real me, man. You guys know the it dance? Let me know if you know the it dance in the chat. It's actually kind of fun to do. Maybe I'll do it later. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. I'm actually going to save this clown. But, that's the real me, man. So you were correct. I'm actually offended that you said I'm not a clown. I'm actually very, very offended you said I'm not a clown. Very, very. What else you guys saying in here? Kennedy said pump song for Mana. Okay, we can do that. Thank you for the super chat, D. Kennedy. We will check out Mana and do a pump song as always here. He said yikes. Here we go. Here comes Mana. Here comes Mana. Demonetized. How am I gonna get demonetized for being a clown? You get demonetized for everything. Hey, someone said I'm getting demonetized for being a clown because he kidnapped kids. It's so dumb. So you're just not allowed to be a clown now because one clown in a movie kidnapped kids? Like, what is this? So can I not be a man because one man in the world kidnapped kids? Is that how the world works now? Do I have to become an alien or something? Like, what's going on here? But anyways, Mana up about 10% on the day. One of your boys' biggest holdings. Let's go. But, Ash, I got you. I got you. Listen, I'm not going to skip your super chat, okay, Ash? He asked for KDA 3 times. I'm not going to skip it, okay? I got you. Relax. Relax. I appreciate you. Relax. We will get to your super chat, okay? We're not going to skip it. He's going to skip my super chat. My name's Ash. Jordan, I asked for KDA 3 times. Don't make it a 4th time. If you make it a 4th time, I'm going to come through the screen and I'm going to show you who's boss. All right, I heard you. I heard you. All right. No, but Mana's still going up about 10% right now. What are we looking at for Mana? All right, let's see here. So swing high to swing low. Let's see. So we actually smacked that 382 fib. All right, we smacked that all over the floor. And I mean, listen. I mean, if you're just looking at this from Fibonacci levels, I mean, you got to say. I don't know if I love this wick down here. Hold on, 1 sec. Yeah, that's a little better. Because it matches with the swing highs. I would say about 330, really closer to 338 would be that next level I'm watching. Now, let's check out the 4-hour real quick. 4-hour, you have a little bit of bearish divergence. You still have some room to run, though. Like, this is not confirmed until the move is over. So you can see here that you are getting a little bit, okay, just a tad bit of higher highs, right? And lower highs, right? So a little bit of bearish divergence coming in here on Mana at the moment on the RSI, but that's not confirmed until this turns into some type of red candle up here. This could easily just continue, right? And if that continues, you're good to go. everything's good. But obviously, watch that in the short term. Man is killing it. Up to 348 at the moment, up 10% on the day. We cannot be happy. We cannot not be happy, I should say, with Mana's current price moving. Let's get it. Let's get it. Why are you ignoring Chainlink? I'm not ignoring Chainlink. I'm not ignoring Chainlink. I'll get to it in a sec. Tornado. What's going on, Tornado? What's going on, Tornado? He said Litecoin or Sol. Oh, let's ask the chat. Chat, what do you think? Litecoin or Sol? Let's actually do a poll real quick. LTC or Sol? LTC, Sol. Let's do a poll real quick. There we go. There we go. There we go. Mike said, when Maya makes you pick between doing the stream and her, what is your decision? Always the stream, man. Nothing comes in between me and the 6:30 stream, okay? Unless I'm traveling or something, all right? That's it. No questions asked. She's getting a little mad right now, but that's okay. She knows. She knows. Definitely Litecoin. Litecoin? Come on, man. Come on, dude. Let's see. All right. I voted for Litecoin. Booty, you're just trolling, okay? I know Litecoin's moving up right now. The whole market's moving up right now. No crap, Litecoin's going to move up, all right? XRP's moving up. SHIB's moving up, all right? Is it a common denominator that all the crap coins are moving up at the same time? Is it a common denominator that all the crap coins are moving up at the same time?
Nope.
Bruh.
I don't think so. I don't think so at all. It makes perfect sense. It's crap coin season, baby. It's crap coin season. That's like asking people what they've invested in already. True. True. All right, let's see. Let's see. Ash said, screw XRP. Look at Kadena, boy. I got you on Kadena, all right? Before you say, why are you skipping me again? We just got the daily close, by the way. We'll check out Kadena. Let's see. Bruh. Let's see. Unhackable tech. Litecoin is unhackable tech. Man. All right, let's check out Kadena. Kadena, I know, had a pretty nice day. I know I always say it wrong. People troll me for saying, it's not called Kadena. It's called Kadena. I don't really care how it's pronounced, okay? All I care about is the price going up or the price going down. That's it. I know I always say it wrong. Let me know in the chat if I still say it wrong, by the way. The daily close, we'll look at the daily close. Kadena, right at that downtrend of resistance, you actually got a wick to it today, and a slight rejection from there. So that's the big level to watch. And it also correlates with, like what we say for all these alts, is the previous swing lows, right? Previous swing low, previous swing low, previous swing low. That is exactly where you're actually kind of closed today. So let's see if we get a little bit more upwards momentum, right? Can Bitcoin get a little bit upwards momentum, or Bitcoin just go sideways? We know Bitcoin going sideways is great for these altcoins, all right? Absolutely great for these altcoins. So let's see if Kadena has a little bit more room to run. But in the meantime, you're back above the daily EMA ribbon for the first time since December. That's good stuff, right? That's really good stuff in the short term. But we got to watch this. If this breaks, you probably have a good shot of coming up and testing at least one of these next swing highs. If not, back up to possibly $16, which is the next swing high for Kadena. All right? So that's KDA. Let's watch this downtrend of resistance right around 1037 or so at the moment. Bitcoin still chilling at 44K. We actually got a daily close on Bitcoin at around 44,059. That's the level that we're watching here. All right, that's the level. Kadena is Karen. I know a lot of people love Kadena. People love Kadena. So we got a little bit of an indecision candle on Bitcoin. What I do like about the Bitcoin close today, or I guess I should say the daily candle, it's an indecision candle. So listen, it's you know, it's one of those things where Bitcoin, I guess, it shows that Bitcoin really doesn't know which way it wants to go next. And I think that's the general sentiment of the market right now. People don't know which way Bitcoin's going to go. Now, let me do a quick rant alert real quick. And this is my feeling right now. Okay, this is my feeling right now.
Rant alert.
I think most people are in disbelief of this run up for BTC. And I would have to say that I understand where that sentiment is coming from. But what I will say is the last 2 times that Bitcoin has run up, from the 30Ks back up to the 40Ks to the 50Ks, there was a lot better sentiment in the market. You guys remember back in early 2020, or I should late 2020, when Bitcoin first went up to the 30Ks, 40Ks, sentiment was absolutely crazy. Okay? And then the second time, there was still some sentiment that was just a pullback and we would continue up. The sentiment was already high once Bitcoin passed 40K. I feel like right now, there's still a lot of disbelief. And I know people would look at that and say, well, you need some bullish sentiment for retail to come back in. I don't think so, right? I think if this was the time to push the price up, this would make a lot of sense because retail is absolutely shook. Retail is quivering in their little pajamas right now. They're sitting at home looking at stocks, and trying to be safe right now. They're not trying to invest in crypto, right? They are scared. They are trembling in their, I already said this, but they're trembling in their pajamas, all right? They don't even know what's going on. They don't want to invest in crypto right now, okay? They're scared of these rate hikes. They're scared of this. They're scared of that. They're scared of this. This would be the perfect time for the market makers to push the price up and leave retail in the absolute dust, okay? That's just my gut feeling. Will it happen at this point? I don't know, right? Bitcoin's going to do whatever the heck it wants to do, when it wants to do it, where it wants to do it with, who wants to do it with. But that would make a lot of sense here for the market makers to do it. I know people will disagree. But that's just my thought process on this, all right?
Rant alert.
I'll take the suckers rally defeat if it happens, but it won't. Listen, I'll take a suckers rally too. And that's why I'm hedging my bets, taking profits on the way up this time, right? I'm not getting caught with my pants down, even though sometimes it's okay to get caught with your pants down, all right? I will say that. No. Timmy, what's going on, man? No Christmas run, but Valentine. What? Why are you crying? No Christmas run, but Valentine run Valentine? I don't know. I have no idea what that means, dude. I wish I had some idea what that could mean right now. Some idea. Retail has no idea what to do. They don't have any idea what to do. They have no idea what to do. They are, like we said, guys, like they've been shaken. Like, think about this year, right? This year has been just a year of ups and downs, right? Think about it. You have retail getting hyped up, right? Hyped up to the moon. Altcoins going off. Kaboom! Altcoins get wrecked. All right, we come back up. There's a little bit of disbelief. They start to FOMO in again, probably towards this area. Right? They come back in, and then boom again. Right? They get shaken out. They're probably just thinking about, like, the price is going back up. Am I going to make the same mistake again? Am I going to FOMO in again as the price is going up? Or am I going to wait for it to come back down, right? There's going to be a suckers rally. They're going to buy it back down the next time. Could be the time where maybe Bitcoin decides to go on a major rally. Just maybe. Just a hypothesis. Just a little bit of a hypothesis here. Don't know if it's going to happen, but take it for what you will. Sean said, smack that like. Yeah, smack that like button. Smack it. Guys, good question, because we have someone crying in the chat for Valentine's Day. Let me know in the chat what you are guys doing for Valentine's Day. If your wife, GF, isn't watching, or your husband or BF isn't watching. Let me know in the chat. What are you guys doing for Valentine's Day? Salty. Roddy said, this is just a little pump. You screenshot this. 56K is as high as it's going before going into a long-term bear market. Roddy. That's why I agree, my guy. I agree with you. Listen, I'm just saying it would make sense this time because everyone's in disbelief right now. It would make sense for the market makers to push it higher. But do I think it's going to happen? Still a little bit on the fence there. Still a little bit on the fence. Got to keep hedging my bets based off that. Me and my girlfriend are going to clap our hands in the room like Vitalik. You guys are just going to sit in there and go,
Happy and clapping. Vitalik is impressed. Vitalik clapping,
you guys are going to sit there and go like this. Listen, I don't hate it. I don't hate it, right? If that's what you want to do, that's what you want to do. I get it. I get it. Listen, if she likes Vitalik too, I mean, that would be great. That would be a great idea. Who knows, man? Do what you want to do. Do what you want to do. Wife staying at home to watch kids while I go out with the girlfriend. There you go, Ryan. That's a stud right there. Just make sure your wife doesn't watch the stream, man. Smack something. Okay. Taking my girlfriend Kim out to Chuck E. Cheese. She's very young at heart. Come on, Joe. Come on, Joe. I don't think one of you guys said anything serious in the chat. Not one of you guys said anything serious. You guys are all trolling. Let's see. Oh, said that fractal sucks because it doesn't match up with Bitcoin did the whole year. Why does it have to match up? Why does it have to match up? Bitcoin is going to do whatever it wants to do. Nothing has to match up. We got to listen. We're looking at this fractal just as a frame of reference, okay? It doesn't have to happen this way, all right? We got to stop thinking, oh, it has to match up with this way because it happened in the past. Listen, it doesn't have to match up, okay? It doesn't have to match up. It's ridiculous, man. It's ridiculous. Why do we have to compare, because this happened in 2021, this happened in 2020, that it has to happen again in 2022? It doesn't have to happen again, all right? Bitcoin's going to do whatever the heck it wants to do. If Bitcoin wants to do this, it's going to do it. If Bitcoin wants to do this, it's going to do it. If Bitcoin wants to do this, it's going to do it. If Bitcoin wants to do this, it's going to do it. If Bitcoin wants to make a flying mongoose, okay? If Bitcoin wants to make a flying mongoose, it also is going to do it, okay? Bitcoin's going to do whatever the heck it wants to do. Where's our flying mongoose? Where's our guy Brendan? Let's bring on Brendan. Let's bring on Brendan real quick. Actually, you know what? Let's bring on Ben Cowan real quick. Balls. We need Ben Cowan. Hold on. We need to find Ben. No beard. Let's see. There we go. Welcome, guys, and thanks for jumping back into the cryptoverse. Today, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, possible scenarios. If that sounds to you guys, make sure you guys hit up that like button, press the subscribe button, also join the premium list, which you can find link to in the description below. Let's jump right on in. So, guys, I think a lot of people get this misconception that what happens in the past has to happen in the future, but that's actually not true whatsoever, right? Bitcoin can do whatever. If there's anything that we learned from 2020 is that Bitcoin is going to do whatever the last thing that everyone expects. What did everyone expect in 2021? Bitcoin to go sideways. No one expected that, and that's exactly what Bitcoin did, right? So if we're just going to take this for a nutshell, there's always the possibility that Bitcoin could come back up to the upside, right? And there's always a possibility that Bitcoin also could just dump down to the downside, right? There's always these two possibilities. And guys, we can't schedule our Forbes interview yet. I know Bitcoin's at 44,000. It's too early to schedule the Forbes interview. It's too early to get out of bed. You see my hair right now? I have bedhead. I'm not out of bed yet, okay? So we got to watch the weekly support band. Until we get back above the weekly support band, we are still in a bearish trend, okay? So that's all I have to say today. I'll see you guys in the next one. As always, guys, bye. Hold on. Let me take this off real quick. There we go. Bada bing. All right. We're back. I am too. You look like Timmy the Bitch with that filter. Who's Timmy the Bitch? I don't know who Timmy the Bitch is. DJ said look like a drowned rat on your head. It's so random. Oh, man. That's so done. It's so stupid. What about this one? It does. Oh, man. All right. Put that back on. We're done with the drowned rat hair, apparently. All right, let's take a look at what else you guys said in here. Gala is on fire. Gala is on fire, said PC Benchmark. Let's go check out Gala. Apparently on fire right now.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
Let's go check out Gala. All right, so Gala. Gala. Holy my guacamole. I need some guacamole in my life, by the way. Java farting, not me, guys. There we go, Gala. There we go, Gala. All right, we got back above the daily EMA ribbon. That's what we wanted to see. All right. We were actually watching some bearish divergence, and we saw bearish divergence for so many different altcoins, and none of them actually played out. Not one of them actually played out. So we're moving up. We're moving up to our previous swing lows, okay? And also the 382 Fibonacci. That's most likely where we're going to kind of go up to retest these previous swing lows for Gala, and that's going to be the big area to watch, right? That's going to be the big area to watch. Can we get back above these swing lows and not flip them into resistance, right? Are we going to do something like this? Would we come up, bada bing, bada boom, we dump we dump? I was trying to do the delete with the scroll wheel. Nope, that doesn't work for me. Keith, you told me something that doesn't work, man. Or are we going to come back up and break that and continue our rise? It's going to be the big level to watch here for Gala, right around 41 cents. But Gala looking strong, strong, strong. We're seeing that from pretty much every, I guess, how would you call it? Gaming, metaverse. We're seeing Mana go off. We're seeing Gala go off. I'm sure Sandbox is going off too. We'll probably look at Sandbox coming up shortly, but I'm sure every single one of these are going off right now, which is awesome. Awesome. Have a little bit of sand, but I mostly have Mana, which is going off today. I'll take it, right? I'll take it all day. I probably should have a little bit more sand, honestly, to diversify, but, you know, I'll stick with my Mana. The dude said I dumped my Gala yesterday. It is what it is, man. It happens. It happens, right? We can't win them all here. And this is what's awesome about Bitcoin going sideways. Bitcoin goes sideways, you're going to see altcoins perform pretty damn well, which is awesome. All right, let's see. Sato, the next ETH killer. We got Monica back with Sato. Monica, you haven't been in here for like 3 months. You always hyping up Sato. I don't even know what Sato is, but is Sato going to be the next ETH killer?
Nope.
Okay. Just the fact that you said that, you're going to get the Mario dump. Okay. There is no ETH killer. There is no ETH killers. Drop it with the ETH guys.
Rant alert.
I'm sick of hearing ETH killer. Salon is an ETH killer. This is an ETH killer. That's an ETH killer. You're an ETH killer. I'm an ETH killer. Okay? Jabba's an ETH killer. Bob's an ETH killer. Your mom's an ETH killer. All right? That's what I got to say. Monica, your mom's an ETH killer. All right? No, there's no freaking ETH killer. Stop it with these ETH killers, man. Nothing's gonna kill ETH. By the way, speaking of that, Litecoin or Sol, we have 70% Sol. Okay, so we have 70% of people who own Sol and 30% of people who own more XRP. Probably what that means, to be honest, if we're gonna be completely honest here. Let's see. Jasmine will pump tonight. Freaking ridiculous, man. Let's see. ETH is gonna die. Okay, keep up with that dream, man. Keep up with that dream. You know how long I heard that for? My mom could kill ETH. All right, let's see. A couple interesting things here. We'll go over some interesting things. I know you guys want to hear from some other guests. I know you guys love to guess. I downvoted for not liking Litecoin. Here's the thing, buddy. I downvoted your stream because you said you don't like Litecoin. You keep crapping on Litecoin. So I downvoted your stream. Yeah, that's going to teach you a lesson. One dislike. That's going to teach you a lesson to stop making videos. Yeah, my dislike is going to prove to you that you should stop talking crap about Litecoin. My one dislike. Yeah, that's going to that's going to do it. That's going to do it. It's not like dislikes are a good thing on YouTube too. Listen, Litecoin, for all you trolls that don't know, dislikes also help the videos just as much as likes do. So if you guys want to dislike that video, boom, dislike it right now, baby. Dislike it. Just kidding. I actually don't get that many dislikes on my videos, despite the fact that I crap on a bunch of coins and stuff, which is interesting. I probably should get more dislikes. So if you guys want to dislike, hey, go right ahead, man. All right, let's see. Hi, Jordan. I know you like high time frame TA. Would love your perspective on this chart. Massole. I am a massole, man. DJ, you know I'm a massole. Why does it feel like this is lagging a little bit? I don't know if it is. I have no idea if it is. I don't know if this is lagging, guys, but let me know. But yeah, I am definitely a masshole. So let me know. Let me know. And if you think I'm an asshole, I am. There's one other masshole that's awesome too. Let's see. Who else is a masshole? The best channel in the interwebs. And yes, guys, I am wearing a backwards hat today to create some controversy. I love creating controversy. Okay, love creating controversy to create views. Okay, I love trolling people on Twitter. I love making controversial tweets and controversial videos. That's my strategy. Okay, and Jordan is also a part of this strategy. Okay, he is. All right, XRP $385. AMP, Amazon, all day. Okay, it's happening. TJ, leave them all in the chat. We want these guys. Leave them in the chat today. Leave them in the chat, man. No, but in all seriousness, man. Go ahead. Laggy? Why are we laggy today, man? Hold on. Let me try to refresh this, guys. Hold up. Oh, that's why it's like. Hold on. I'll fix it. There we go. We're back. We're back. For some reason, I had it on 4K. I had it on 4K. The video on 4K for a second there. It's like we're trying to shoot some movie or something. I had it on 4K. Couldn't keep up with the video. But we should be back. We should be fresh and ready to go, man. We should be fresh and ready to go. Let's see. Lag, said Unlimited. Lag. We're back. Don't you worry. Let's see. So, high time frame TA from M1. Let's see. Would love your perspective on this chart. I puzzled together earlier today. Pin tweet decrypto.com. Pin tweet decrypto.com. Okay. We can try to figure it out. We have, real quick before we go figure it out, we have this chart from Plan C. I love it. Every single time I see this, I'm so happy that there's a chart from Plan C. Like, is there really someone that's gonna make their name Plan C just to troll Plan B, or is it Plan B trying to be a troll? Who knows? Who knows? But the fact that someone actually made their name Plan C, I find absolutely hilarious, and it makes me laugh every single time. It really does. Jordan, the movie is blurry soon. Listen, 4K, man. Java in 4K. No, but guys, Plan C's market reversal indicator. Listen. This is just another one of those indicators, but we're going to take a look at it. Basically, what he's saying, every time we're above the 50 line, or basically every time we're above the market reversal indicator, which is this dark orange line here, and we actually get above here, that means that we're in uptrend momentum. So basically what they're saying, we haven't had really uptrend momentum, or basically getting back above this, ever since the middle of, or the beginning of November. And obviously we got back above that, and that led to a pretty nice rally from like, 60K up to 69K. And you guys can see right now we're getting some pretty good momentum. So, I think I mainly look at this because I think it's funny that someone made their name Plan C. But, I guess it does show that we have a little bit upwards momentum here. And this could result in a little bit of upwards move. Someone asked me to look at this on this in Discord today, so I thought I'd look at it real quick. And then we had Crypto. What the heck is going on over there? Okay, you guys don't want to know what I just saw. You don't want to know what I just saw. Okay, you don't want to know. Anyways, Decrypto. I will. All right, Decrypto. If you send it to me through Twitter, at me on Twitter, I will take a look at it after the stream, and I will. I'll comment on it, man. But make sure you at me on it, okay? And that's how we're gonna take a look, okay? Drew said ETC is an ETH killer. ETH Classic? Nah, ETH Classic. I'm telling you right now, man. All the Robinhooders are gonna be coming back into ETH Classic. I'm telling you right now. I can already see it. You can already see it too. All the Robinhooders someday. You're all gonna come back in. Hold on. Where's my guy? Oh no, Jimmy! I lost Jimmy again. Guys, I lost Jimmy. No. Squig. Where's Jimmy? Dude, I deleted Jimmy again. You guys know how long I looked for Jimmy? I was searching for Jimmy for an hour, and I don't know what he's called. I should have wrote it down. I'm gonna have to find Jimmy again. It's ridiculous, man. Ridiculous. All I wanted to do was show a Robinhooder, and now we can't do it. Absolutely ridiculous. Now we gotta find some other Robinhooder. We know at some point someone is going to make a video about ETC. Let me show you who. I am George. We're all George. Guys, today we're going to talk about how Ethereum Classic is going to be the next altcoin that is absolutely going to crush it, okay? And I'm totally not making a video about Ethereum Classic today because it already is at all-time highs. I'm totally Totally not making it because of that, okay? I'm not just making a FOMO video. I totally believe in Ethereum Classic, and I do think that it's going to absolutely blast off to the moon. Someone in the chat just asked me, why didn't I make an Ethereum Classic video when it was at the bottom? Listen, don't ask that, okay? Just go with the flow. Ethereum Classic is going to absolutely moon. I'm gonna buy $100 of Ethereum Classic right now at the top. Here we go. $100 of Ethereum Classic at the top. Here we go. All right, you guys can see I am putting in Ethereum Classic. There we go. All right. There we go. All right. $100 of Ethereum Classic, baby. Just George dancing. Oh, man. Listen. Oh, I'm still George. Hold on. Listen, guys. I know you guys like the old George head better, too. Oh, I'm Elon. I'm Elon. All right, we're gonna roll with it. Why does Elon look really dark today? Holy moly. He looks really dark today. All right. What's going on, guys? I love Dogecoin, and I love Ethereum. We're going to be Elon for a little bit. I love Dogecoin, and I love Ethereum. And I love Bitcoin as well. Okay, I love Bitcoin, Ethereum. I own a little bit of Bitcoin. I own a little bit of Ethereum. And I own a huge proportion of Dogecoin. Okay. All right. So Tornado asked, there is no soul killer. Yes, there is precisely no soul killer. Okay, soul is going to be soul. But Ethereum is going to be Ethereum, guys. Ethereum is going to be Ethereum. Thoughts on Terra Luna? We'll take a look at Terra Luna holiday. Absolutely, my guy. We'll take a look at it for you. But in the meantime, I'm gonna say goodbye, guys. Tesla has not sold any Bitcoin. You guys saw the earnings. Tesla has not sold any Bitcoin. We'll be back. All right. All right. I'm gonna a bunch of guest appearances today. As Bitcoin's chilling. I mean, that's the common denominator of Jordan's stream is Bitcoin chills. George calls him Elon. Oh man. Who said that? Daniel said, "The fuck is that?" It's Elon. It's Elon, as George would say. All right. Thoughts on Terra Luna. All right. Let's take a look at Terra Luna. Luna. What's going on with Luna? It's coming back up. It's coming back up. I know Luna was obviously moving up pretty well, even with Bitcoin dumping, and then it sort of had a pullback pretty recently, but it's not performing too shabby here. It's definitely not. Thanks for the super chat, though. Holiday Tornado, and thanks, Drew, for being a member for 7 months, my guy. Appreciate you, dude. But anyways. So we're coming back down like this. We got some work to do with Terra. For sure here. Let's actually see where we're at on the daily EMA ribbon. Still below it, right? So you're coming up on big resistance here, right? Coming up on that daily EMA ribbon resistance. You're coming up on the previous swing low resistance right here, right? So that's ultimately what the level that we want to watch, right? Swing low. You don't want to flip that into resistance. Now, if we have any clues that we could continue higher, let's actually go to the 4 hour, see if we have any type of bullish divergence forming. And we do, right? We do. First of all, we want to see Bitcoin reverse, right? But we do have higher lows coming in on the price action, and we have lower lows coming in the RSI. So classic bullish divergence off the 4 hour EMA ribbon. I do like what I'm seeing here, at least right now. I'm getting higher lows, and you're getting higher highs. Now, this could end up being some type of wedge formation on the shorter term time frames. But I think just looking at this, we'll be getting one more move up to back test this previous support, right? And then get a move back down outside the wedge. I think something along those lines would probably make the most sense here. One more move up, probably create some type of bearish divergence on the RSI, and then move back down in our wedge formation here in the 4 hour. Just what I'm seeing. Doesn't have to play out that way. If Bitcoin wants to just moon to the upside. Most altcoins will too. So take that for what you will. But at least short term move. Could see like a $62-ish Luna in the short term before I move back down. Quite possibly. That's probably what I see in the short term there. Ryan said the idea of a 90s pre-streaming Jordan talking to himself and confusing the hell out of the room full of other stockbrokers, and it's entertaining. Imagine my streamer like the 90s talking to like stocks people. That would be hilarious. Absolutely hilarious. Like a bunch of like boomers being like, Apple sucks. Apple sucks. Being Bob. Jordan, what's your opinion on Apple? Apple sucks. Apple absolutely sucks. Why would you invest in Apple when you could invest in Amazon? Why would you do that? It makes no sense. If something can't outpace Amazon, why would you invest in it? Apple sucks. Okay? Same thing with Netflix. Just invest in Amazon, man. Invest in Amazon. That would be fun. That would be hilarious, man. All right, let's see what else we got. Don't mess with George. Don't mess with George. Listen, man. We do what we want. We do what we want. We'll take a look at this tomorrow morning. This is something I want to look at tomorrow morning. We looked at that already. Yeah, I have some stuff I want to take a look at tomorrow morning. I'll save a lot of this stuff for tomorrow morning, to be honest. But right now, we could just chat and talk about some alts. Bitcoin it's doing what it typically does here. If we let's go to like the 15 minute, see if we have anything cooking here. Anything cooking on like even the 15 minute? Come on, BTC. Give me something. Give me something, man. Maybe some type of... I guess it's a little bit of hope here, maybe. But maybe some type of short-term move forming here. Hopefully some type of symmetrical triangle here on the 15 minute. That eventually plays out. Right? Continuation. Pump. Right? Lower highs, higher lows. Hopefully some type of short-term pattern that eventually will play out here on the 15 minute. Oh, Denise, what? All right, Ethereum. Ethereum. Denise and DJ, how did your date go, by the way, guys? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat how your guys' date went. Okay? I'm very, very bullish on it. I'm not gonna sell high and buy low.
I'm gonna buy the top and I'm gonna sell the bottom, guys.
But Ethereum, Captain ETH, where is it? Where's ETH? Come on, man, where's ETH? There it is. There it is. You're still chilling right at this downtrend. Look at this. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boom, 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 boom. Okay? Boom, 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 boom. The other day, George told us we're not out of the woodwork yet. Strap on. We're not out of the woodwork.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
The woodwork? What does that mean? He said, George's always taking my sayings, man. I always say, I was saying we're not out of the woods yet, okay? We said that way back in the day. We're not out of the woods yet. We always said strap up. Now George said strap on. So I say strap up. George says strap on. I say we're not out of the woods yet. George says we're not out of the woodwork yet. This is ridiculous. George, you stealing all my son's stuff? Are you stealing all my son's sayings? I need to speak to Cryptos R Us manager, and I know it's not you, George. I want to speak to the Cryptos R Us manager, copying all Jordan's sayings. This is ridiculous. You're copying all of them. All of them. I want to speak to the channel manager right now. Absolutely right now. DJ, are you the manager of Cryptos R Us? I want to speak to you right now. You cannot be stealing Jordan's sayings. Come on. Cannot be stealing Jordan's sayings. Oh, man. It is what it is. It is what it is. At least no one stole, okay? It is what it is. At least no one stole it. But anyways, downtrend resistance, we're right. We're still at that for Ethereum. So, but what I like about Ethereum at the moment You know, what we like about that is we just bounced off the 4-hour EMA ribbon. We're coming back up to test this downtrend of resistance right now. Okay, this could get very, very interesting for Ethereum. If this level breaks, we're going back up to close to 3,400. It's happening, right? It's very, very much happening. But right now, we need to be patient here because this is a critical, just such a critical level for ETH, right? I mean, you got the daily has room to run, so it's not like ETH can't break it. The 4 hours not showing any bearish divergence, has room to run in the RSI. Listen, it's set up for a breakout. It's lagging behind Bitcoin a little bit, and we need ETH. We need Bitcoin to hold steady here for just a tad, and I do believe Ethereum, we'll see it at $3,400 Ethereum pretty shortly here, as long as Bitcoin can at least go sideways. We just all we want here for altcoins is just Bitcoin not to dump. We'll take Bitcoin going sideways. We'll take that all day, at least for us altcoin holders, right? We'll take that all day. Teju said, I'd much rather strap up than strap on. Listen, strap on might not be too bad, right? I mean, if you're thinking about it, if you're strapping on, I mean, it doesn't have to be what you think. You could be strapping on to, I don't know, to a plane. You could be strapping on to a car, right? You don't have to be strapping on what you're thinking right now, okay? And strap up can mean the same thing, right? I mean, listen, they both mean the same thing. I think I would rather strap up than strap on too, though. You know, depending on what we're talking about here. Strap in, can strap in too. Get strap in. Strap in. Dual straps. Strap on, strap up. Dual straps. You got two of them rocking. We're not gonna get too dirty here. I know who always got two of them rocking though. You know who's always got two of them rocking? This guy right here. That just got two of them strapped on. Let me tell you. Even though I don't know who he's doing with now, because I think him and Melissa are kind of I think Bob is having a good time with Melissa right now. God. But yeah. Jabba thinks nips are analog sticks. Oh man. He's playing a game. He's sitting there playing a game. Shit. JH randomly says, I like old George face too. That was like 20 minutes ago. How are you still talking about that? You gotta press the live button at the bottom of the stream, man. You gotta catch up a little bit. You're like 20 minutes behind here. Unless I'm behind. Or unless I'm really ahead or something. I don't know. But I like the old George face too. Rated R. Oh man. Alright, 44,100 for BTC. Still just chilling this little consolidation. I mean, maybe we're coming up like this. I don't know. We'll keep it like this though. For now. Keep it like this for now. What other alts are doing anything? Anything else really doing anything at the moment? SHIB's trying to make a move back up. Look at SHIB. I love being part of the SHIB army now, guys. Listen. SHIB army all the way, baby. Yeah, what is that? Yeah, yes. Don't wanna party. Yo, Shibami, what's going on, baby? Yo, this thing's actually pretty dope. What's going on, baby? Why is it winking? Why is he winking? What is he? Is he feeling some type of way right now because he's seeing the shots? Like, what's going down right now? Yo, why is he winking? It's not me, guys. I promise I'm not winking right now. I promise I'm not. I don't know why he's winking. No, but, no, Shib's doing pretty well. I mean, now we want to see is we kind of dip below the previous highs. We dip below the previous highs. Now what we'll do is, now can we get back above those previous highs, right? Because, you know, we look left right here at about, you know, 0.00000003256. That's the level we need to get back above now. And guys, if we can get a little bit more momentum, Shib could come back up to like 3866, right? 3866. Quite put him down. Yo, come on. Don't wish that on any dog, okay? I love dogs. Don't say put any dog down, all right? We'll put him down for now, but listen. Shib's got game. Oh, jeez. All the guys in the chat, watch out. Shib's going to steal your girl.
If you moved it across the hall and in the basement intro, ridiculous.
Drew said I gotta go. Looks high. Oh man. Michael said, "Did you lose across the hall and in the basement intros?" No, I did not. I still have the backgrounds. They'll be coming back. Okay, they'll be coming back. I just have to add them back on to certain scenes. So we'll have those back. We'll have Bob's basement and across the hall intros back at some point. I'll say. Okay, they'll be back. I promise. What's Sand doing? I know a lot of people are asking for Sand, by the way. Sandbox. Let's see. Jordan doesn't know about Leash and Bone token. I don't. No, doesn't sound like something that would interest me at all. Sounds like another meme coin. That's what I'll say. But I think this is final form. No, but listen. You got back above the daily EMA ribbon, back tested it on the daily for Sandbox. That's perfect, right? I mean, look at the wick. Bada bing, bada boom. Back tested it and try to get continuation to the upside. It's what I love. What I love to see for Sandbox. One more thing we obviously want to test at the moment is where we're sitting at our daily downtrend of resistance. Let's see. We got some work to do, right? We got another 50 cents or so to get back above that. So still some work to do here ultimately for Sandbox, but I like the progress that's being made. The short-term one broke, right? If you draw one down here, this one broke to the upside. That's perfect to see. Need volume coming in. Volume's still extremely low. You know, we can still move up with low volume. We saw that in the summertime, right? The volume was extremely low. People were screaming, no volume. I got to find Mike. But people were screaming, no volume up in the summertime. We just kind of continued up. So you don't need volume. I think volume's kind of overrated. In my opinion, people will disagree. I do think volume is overrated. But, you know, just my take, right? Just my take. We've seen plenty of times Bitcoin move up with volume. We've seen altcoins move up without volume. Would you prefer some? Yes, but, you know, take that for what you will. But other than that, I mean, Sand's obviously killing it, right? You cannot say anything else besides Sand's obviously killing it. And it got back above its big range, too, which was the previous swing lows. Ultimately, what you want to see a break of these previous swing lows. And that is what you did. You actually back tested those, too. So you've done everything besides break the daily downtrend of resistance. That's probably where you're going to go test next. It's probably up here towards 516. we'll see if you can break it at that point. But I do like what I'm seeing here for the box. All right, Bitcoin just went up and tested the top of this again. Here we go. Here comes Bitcoin.
Strap up, we're going to the moon.
Here comes Bitcoin. Where's the volume? Volume is underrated after a big dump because no one wants to sell. Could be true. Taser said CMC top 100 sort finally fixed. Let's check it out. Top 100 sort. Let's see. So we had... Wow, it is. IoTex up 23%. IoTex is up 23%. That's what I'm talking about, man. Look at IoTex. Who owns IoTex here? I don't know if many people own IoTex. But IoTex doing very, very well. Kadena up 19%. KDA, we already looked at KDA today. KDA killing it. And obviously some other pretty decent movers. Nothing like those really these three. And obviously Unis. I didn't mean to skip right over that. But Unis, IoTex, and Kadena absolutely crushing it with some gainers down here. eCash, Decentraland, AVAX, Tezos, XRP. But really three major ones today. It's pretty good. Let's actually take a look at our biggest gainers and losers of the day. Doge Colony. What's going on with Doge Colony? So 680% on Doge Colony. Why Doge Colony? Ninja Floki. Okay, I know a lot of people love Ninja Floki. I thought that said something else. I thought we were looking at substitute the Z for a C, and I thought that's what we're looking at here. But ZUM token. Interesting stuff going on here. As always, looking at this, there's always interesting stuff going on here. Magic Inu down 95%. Rest in peace, Magic Inu. Rest in peace, Magic Inu. Bandito said, is Storm X in trouble? Let's check out Storm X real quick for you, man. Storm X is in trouble. I don't know if it's in trouble. No, it's not in trouble, man. Listen, I mean, this looks like many other altcoin charts, okay? Where they came back down to test the summer lows. Okay? I mean, and this one did too. It didn't come all the way back down, but, basically double bottomed here. And that's what many altcoins did. Okay? Now you're just kind of moseying your way back up. Very, very slowly. But nonetheless, you are moseying your way back up. Short-term downtrend, you broke, right? So now it's looking for a little bit more momentum here. That's really it. Volume extremely low at the moment. I mean, volume is extremely low across the board in general. But volume extremely low there for StormX, at least on this exchange. But I like what I see there so far. Right in the daily EMA ribbon, still got some EMAs to break there. You got to break above these EMAs to get super confident. And still below the previous swing lows. You can see here, really from these levels here, still below the previous swing lows. So you got to break them back above there too. But overall, I like what I'm seeing. It's just, do you have that further momentum? Let's check out this 4 hour here. Yeah, 4 hour had bearish divergence, but that already played out, right? You had the higher highs and you had the lower highs there, right? And that played out, right? You got the move back down. Will you come lower? Well, that's obviously the question now you're waiting to see. That's what you're waiting to see. You could probably go on the hourly to check that, but I'm not too concerned with lower time frame charts. To me, it doesn't really matter. They're going to do what they're going to do, but I would say short term, this looks fine. You really just want to continue to hold this level here. Continue to hold that. You're fine. You break that. You might come back down and back test this previous resistance line of support before a continuation back up. But StormX, I would say, like we said in the daily, let's get back above these levels here, and then we can get pretty confident on a move back up. All right, Bitcoin's trying to break up here. Let's see if Bitcoin can get a little bit of a move here, boys. Let's see if Bitcoin can get a move. I'm an island boy. I'm just a sweet, sweet, sweet island boy. Bitcoin's an island boy. This stupid island boy, man. Oh, that stupid island boy. Davy and the Island Boys. No, but it was trying to. It was trying to. And then, boom, back down to the downside. Okay? Boom, back down to the downside. But really right now, I mean, if we're going to stick to the 15-minute, you know, I guess we're kind of just going sideways. Looking at that level there, 44,340 to really, really start getting juice. Seems like we got wicked off there again. We got wick off there again. Well, let's see if we can get some more momentum to the upside. Island boy. The island boy. Let's see. The rapper. I wasn't expecting that. Oh, man. We're all about the unexpected here, guys. We're all about the unexpected. Covers your receding hairline. Let's look at the hairline today. How are we looking on this hairline today? Look at the boys. Whoa, what did I just say? What the heck did I just say? Adrian said, hope you're well, bro. I'm doing very well. Very, very well, Adrian. Thanks for asking, man. Can you check out SLP on the 1 hour? I think it's ready for another run up to 2.9 cents. We can check out SLP, man. Abso-freaking-lutely we can. Okay? It's almost time for the Vikings to assemble. That is just a warning shot, guys. That's just a warning shot. Vikings, we're not ready yet. But if Bitcoin can creep back up to 44,340, we're going to need all the Vikings to get their swords and shields ready. Not yet, okay? Don't get them out yet, but we're getting very, very close to swords and shields time. Very, very close. A ferret died on your head today. Yeah. It did look like a ferret. When it was down like this. Yo, it's a ferret tail. Oh, man. It did kind of look like a ferret, huh? Look at it. Look at it. It's beautiful. The hat hair, man. Hat hair to death. It's all about the hat hair. All right, Bitcoin's coming back down now. I guess we're kind of just in a range. We're kind of just in a range. My paper hands need to turn diamonds. They do, man. Why do you have paper hands, man? You should not have any paper hands.
My cojones are rock hard.
We have an injury, guys. Injury alert. We'll check out SLP, though. Adrian, we'll check out SLP, my friend. All right, let's see. So SLP is, let's see, minoxidil. I'm not putting minoxidil on my head, okay? We're not doing minoxidil on my head. It's not happening, dude. I'm telling you right now. It is not happening. A bald ferret. But anyways, SLP is, oh, this is the one that got wrecked. I mean, it's coming back up now, which is good. I mean, everything that goes down fast has to come back up fast. All right? But if you look, let's actually take, we didn't even retrace, guys. Oh, excuse me, guys. I told you guys I was tired, man. I took the longest walk I have. Man, I took the longest walk that I did today. It's pretty long. I haven't taken... Be quiet. It's the longest walk that I've taken in probably in years. Another pretty long walk. All right, but if we take... if we take this, let's take swing low to swing high. What we could be looking at here. I mean, listen. The 618 Fibonacci, a 1.618 Fibonacci is all the way up at 2.9 cents. That could be the next level to watch out for your SLP if it can break these previous swing highs, right? If we can break 2.1, watch for 2.9. There's not much in between. We pretty much just went straight down here. Not much consolidation in between. So that's what we're watching here for SLP, okay? SLP got absolutely wrecked. But that's what we're watching here for. I mean, listen, SLP got hammered. It's gonna have a retracement back up. Okay, it's just naturally gonna have a retracement back up. Look at the volume coming in on that. Holy majoli! Look at that volume. Very, very bullish on that volume. Okay, definitely not bearish on that volume.
Nothing has changed.
Yeah, definitely not bearish on that volume, man. Be quiet, no speak. Yeah. Be quiet, no speak. Who's that? It's Majka. Majka. Farthest Java ever walks is to his Lambo. Very true. I mean, he doesn't have his Lambos anymore. Layer 2. His Lambos are now liquidated. So unfortunately, we cannot say that Java has Lambos anymore. He only has 2 shoes. And we saw earlier, I put the level right up here, guys. It's gone for some reason. Okay, it's gone. It just wants to disappear, I guess. Is it on this chart? Hold on. Nope. Okay, I guess it's gone. But Java's, oh, here it is. Java first shoe liquidated right here. 45,600 or 45,500 is where Java's first shoe gets liquidated. Okay, and he already told you guys. He's already talking crap to you guys. My shoe's not getting liquidated. I'm telling you right now, it's not. All you moon boys are getting way too bullish right now. Bitcoin's gonna go back down. It's going back down to 20K. I'm telling you right now, it's going back down. Look at all these moon boys in the chat. Look at all of them. Look at Clint. Look at Clint. Clint has no idea what he's talking about. Clint is such a moon boy. Clint, look at you. Look at Clint making fun of Jordan for taking profits at 46 and 56, calling him a trader. Traders make more money than you, Clint. All right, Clint. Java talking smack to Clint. What's Clint gonna do? Clint said, "Who's the better spot trader, you or your mysterious girlfriend in the background?" Listen. You guys know my thing with trading. I think a hamster can trade better than 90% of us. She'd probably win. If I'm being honest, she'd probably win. A hamster can outtrade me, okay? Think about that for a second. A hamster can outtrade me. And a hamster can outtrade 90% of you guys in the chat. But everyone thinks they can be the next crypto face, okay? So everyone would probably get out-traded by Majka. Freddie said, "Why the hell would Jordan show team goals?" For the Moon Boys in the back. Where's Clint? Java's calling Clint out right now. He's calling Clint out. All right. Come on, BTC. Can you do something? Do something. My grandma trades Bitcoin better than you? Probably. That's why I don't trade. I just sit back and Mana makes me 10%. Bitcoin makes me 10%. ETH makes me 10%. Hamster loaf. Hamster loaf. Drago said Crypto Face turns on his stream when already in profit. I mean, yeah, he's not going to stream his losses. I mean, listen, he's not going to stream his losses, obviously. I don't know much. I don't really watch Crypto Face anymore. I used to. But he's not going to stream his losses. Well, that wouldn't make any sense for him. He's got to seem like he's the best trader in the world. He's not going to stream his losses. I'm sure he's made a ton of money, right? But listen, even good traders lose about 40% of the time. The good traders are probably only winning 55 to 60% of the trades, right? 40% of the time they're getting crushed. At least with a stop loss. They're probably not getting crushed, but they're losing the trade. BTC looks strong. I mean, yeah, BTC is holding up. What I will say is BTC is holding up extremely, extremely strong right now. I mean, even on this move up in the wick up to 45.6, I thought that could have been a pretty good sell-off. But Bitcoin just kind of bounced back right away and said, like literally just came back and said,
nope.
Okay, and it's holding up extremely strong and actually trying to move back up, which I think is pretty telling, right? The 4-hour stock RSI is also oversold at the moment. Could you have some more momentum to the upside, which is crazy to think about because really Bitcoin hasn't really had a retrace yet. It's kind of just moseyed its way up, you know, for the most part from 36 to 46 without any, you know, massive retrace at all. And it could just continue, right? I mean, that's the short-term time frames don't look too bad, I would say. They all are actually, I would say, relatively lining up for possibly another run to the upside. Quite possibly. Are the bots back? I don't think the bots are back. I don't think any bots are back. What are they saying? Denise banned someone saying quant, 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 quant like a friggin' duck. Let me bring up a duck real quick. I love this thing. I can just search anything. Can you look at quant, 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 quant? Oh no, this is better. Can you look at quant, 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 quant? Remember how I had to do that last time? Oh, man. Quant, quant. Dude, the guy who's just spamming quant in the chat. This is what you look like right now. Every 10 seconds. Quant. 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 Chill with the freaking quant, man. Whoa! We're a duck. I like these ducks. This one's pretty dope too. This one's this one's kind of creepy though. This one's kind of creepy. Oh man, this one's kind of creepy. We're gonna get off that one. Don't remember. All right, what else can we look at? I mean, it's mostly, we know we're waiting for Bitcoin. We're waiting for Bitcoin to get back above really 46 at the moment. 46. Right now we're just kind of chilling sideways. We're chilling sideways. SLP trying to continue up. Altcoins kind of settling at the moment. We'll look at let's look at total market cap real quick. Where's my little total market cap? Here it is. So total we haven't broken the swing lows yet. So total, I'm still waiting for these swing low breaks between 2.06 trillion and 2.13 trillion. If we get back above that, I mean that's golden. I mean, we've already broken the downtrend, I believe. Let me actually just double check that. It depends how you want to draw it. I would say this is the most logical way. Connects the most points. We're actually right at it right now. We actually got a slight wick above this. So slight wick. Did you say slight work? And now we're seeing if we can break it. I mean, we're right below it right now. If this breaks, holy guacamole, we could be moving up right now. We could be do that the whole stream in that. I'm not doing the whole stream in that. Not a chance. Guys, hit up that like button, by the way. We got to get back on the 1,000 like grind. We'll do it. I know yesterday there was some internet problems. Usually throws some stuff off. But hey, we are back. We are golden. So smack up that like button, man. But the YouTube algorithm likes that. Okay? It really does. But yeah, we smacked this for total. Probably have at least a significant move, I would say. At least back up to test this 2.06 trillion mark. But total's right there for a breakout too. So still patiently waiting on total for the most part here. Patiently waiting. Let's go Asia, says Denise. Yes. Let's go Asia. Dan said, shout out to Jordan's GF for tolerating him. I don't think she does. Yeah, like you just said, man. I mean, you guys tolerate me too. Everyone tolerates me. Okay? Like we know. I'm a clown. I'm a whack job. I've had someone call me a whack job. I had someone call me a clown. I've had someone call me on Twitter. Actually, I've only had one person call me on Twitter. Call me a lying moon boy. Okay? A lying moon boy. Think about that for a second. A lying moon boy. Whatever lied about being a moon boy. All Bitcoin does is go up to the right over the course of time. Never been a lying moon boy. Actually, besides that, I haven't really been called too many names. All right? I haven't really been called too many names. I've always said I'm shocked that I don't have more haters than I do. I'm shocked, right? A lot of stuff I say is kind of controversial. Whether it's crypto, whether it's, you know, crypto, other crypto people, whether it's whether it's non-related crypto stuff. I say a lot of controversial things. I really do. I'm shocked. I'm shocked, man. Wanna be moon boy? Yeah, wanna be moon boy. 1K people in there right now? No, there's not. I doubt there's 1K people in here right now. I doubt it. I doubt it. No, there is. You guys, it actually haven't dropped off the whole day. That's actually kind of nuts. All you guys have been chilling here for most of the whole stream. That's actually crazy. Listen to me talk about nothing, having a duck face on, things like that. Blows my mind every day. It really does. A lion, moon boy. I need more alien talk. Listen, we can talk about aliens. Listen, a lot of that stuff we were talking about before, because like nothing was going on. That was when Bitcoin was like just literally watching paint dry. At least we're doing something right now. Okay, at least we're doing something, but you know, not really right at this moment. Okay, is there any altcoins or anything, guys? Let me know in the chat. Is there any altcoins doing something that we can look at? You know, I mean, we look. Did any of you guys even own IoTex? Actually, we looked at IoTex earlier. And then Eunice is up 52%. Leo. No one's even talking about Leo. To be honest, I don't think I ever even looked at Leo. What is this crap? Holy majoli. Am I missing something, guys? What the heck is this thing? What the heck is this thing? Hold on. Allows Bitfinex users to save money on trading fees. Oh, is it because the Bitfinex thing today? Why would this pump? Why would this pump? Because the hackers got caught. What the heck is this? Is that really why it pumped today? Because the hackers got caught? Or is it because something else? Like, what the heck, man? Why is this up 53%? I mean, it broke a horizontal resistance, but like, why did it go up 53%? That's the question. That is the question, man. That's crazy, dude. That doesn't make any sense to me, but hey, it was in a long-term consolidation pattern. It was getting higher lows, right, and horizontal resistance. It makes sense why it pumped. 53% though is pretty crazy, I will say. Swing low to swing high to swing low. Let's actually see if you bounce to a significant area. Almost up to the 3618, which is nuts. Absolutely nutbuggers. Nutburgers. Next target would be up to 877, but that's I mean, this thing's kind of unpredictable right now because of that. Daily's like way overbought. 4 hours, I assume, going to be pretty overbought too. Yeah. I mean, this thing needs a cool off, but news can sometimes say, screw your cool off. We don't need a cool off. We don't need that right now. Play Clappy? Okay.
Happy and clapping. Vitalik is impressed. Vitalik clapping.
Look at my hands, guys. They're more manly than Vitaliks. Look at my hands. They're manly. Look at these Look at these hands. Tell me. Mindy said I can chat again. Don't be saying quant. Don't be saying it. Leo went off. What else went off? Anything? Any low caps went off? Let's see. Let's actually go to page 2. Let's go to page 2 on CoinMarketCap. We might as well. Let's go to page 2. Let's swing down to page 2. Let's see. Italic. Page 2. Revan. Revan is up about 26%. Woo's up 17. Okay. Revan, man. What's going on with that one? Revan. Revan. Let's see. Let's see. So Revan. I mean, you have so many wicks. Look at all these wicks. Look at all these wicks, man. Wick. You might as well call this the whack-off coin. Okay? Look at this. Whack-off. It's like every... it's like every time this tried to break out, you had Bob coming in going... Will it happen again? Look at all these wicks. It's like Bob got super excited like 8 times. But man, that's a crazy amount of wicks. I guess if you take it from the non-wick resistance line, right? I mean, you're kind of just wicked up to it right now. So that's what you're waiting for. A nice move. Another coin that, you know, it was just so battered down, right? This thing was just battered down. This thing was just absolutely wrecked. So, you know, is he farting? But listen, you came back down to the previous swing low. You were due for a bounce here. So this one's getting a bounce. This because you were due. This one got absolutely wrecked, huh? This coin got wrecked. How much does this go down from the top? 86%. I guess most of them went down 86%, to be honest. Lazarus said, what the? But yeah, a double bottom. Let's see if we can continue to the upside. Good stuff on Revan so far. But yeah, coming up on the biggest test, which we said for every altcoin, is the previous swing lows and the downtrend resistance. Look where you're at right now. Is that a coincidence? I do not think so. Previous swing low, wick up to high resistance line. So it's definitely not a coincidence that you're chilling right at this level at the moment. Not a coincidence whatsoever. Oh, we got CL in the chat. We got a troll alert, guys. Troll alert.
Rant alert.
Stop making those noises. You're so annoying. I'm unsubscribing. I am unsubscribing tonight. I'm unsubscribing. This is ridiculous. I've been watching you for a year, and you just keep making these annoying noises. I'm done. I'm so done with this. I'm disliking and I'm unsubscribing. I'm never watching you again. Bye. Oh, man. Some of you guys are funny. I know some of you guys troll because you always put LOL after that. But I still like to call you guys out. You're too funny. You lying moon boy. Oh, man. All right, guys. It might be time to call it a little streamy stream here today because, listen, man. Bitcoin's in a consolidation pattern. If I get off, we know Bitcoin will go up because I get off. That's been the quote. It's been the quote of the last couple of weeks. I get off, Bitcoin pumps. Okay, it's happened every single time. Every single night. Seems like Bitcoin pumps before and after I stream. So I'm going to get off. Let's see Bitcoin stream. We'll all probably make more money if Bitcoin goes up, if altcoins go up. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Tomorrow's Wednesday. Let's have a good hump day tomorrow. All right, let's have a good hump day. I know Job and Bob will. All right. Catch you guys later. Hit up that like button. Press the subscribe button. If you guys do want to trade, do not use Carl's Bybit link. Use mine down below. It's one way you can help out the channel, as well as hit up the like button. All right. So use my Bybit link down below. Catch you guys later. Peace. And I'm going to awkwardly be sitting here for 2 seconds because I got to bring up this thing here. All right, you guys can awkwardly see me still. Still awkwardly see me. Still awkwardly see me. Okay, here we go. And zip.